Indigestion is very common. The typical symptoms of indigestion are bloating, abdominal distension, gases, excess farting or excess belching, not feeling like eating. These are very typical symptoms of indigestion. Indigestion is because of either two reasons. But the first reason is excess of abnormal bacteria or lack of good bacteria, those who should present inside the intestine or into the gut. So what we do, we simply kill the bad bacteria with a gut antibiotic which only acts in the gut, that is rifaximin. It comes in 200 power, 400 power and 550 milligram power. Usually we give this medicine for around 3 to 5 days. And the second medicine is the probiotic that we give, which contains usually a good bacteria which go inside the gut. So excess of bad bacteria or lack of good bacteria, they digest this food very badly, whatever food is present, and they produce so many gases. So that is the reason why you feel bloated, indigested, belching and farting, and all the symptoms occur. At home, what you can take curd. Curd is an excellent food. It has so much of probiotic. It can significantly reduce this type of problem. Milk is a very bad food for indigestion because many of the patients usually complain that they get this belching, gases and farting after taking milk. So milk should be avoided maybe for 3 to 5 days. And the third thing is you have to avoid oily, spicy, masaledar type of food because this type of food can significantly worsen this type of indigestional symptoms. Thank you.